Did you know that the world's most expensive coffee powder is made from the droppings of a tree-climbing creature called the civet? The construction of this is very beautiful and intriguing, even though it sounds like disgusting. Known as kopi luwak, this coffee powder is mostly produced in Indonesia, because most of these creatures are found in that one area. Coffee beans are the favorite food of these tree-climbing creatures. That too, they only eat the best coffee beans. But they do not have the ability to digest any pus they eat. Therefore, the most remaining of their suffering will be this coffee. But because various chemical processes have taken place inside their stomachs, this coffee bean will have various characteristics. That is what makes them so valuable. An unprocessed one droppings costs around 20,000 rupees. When it is processed into powder and sold as kopi luwak, it fetches around 1 lakh rupees per kilogram. It is very difficult to get it naturally from the wild. Therefore, these animals are bred in farms to make coffee beans. But getting it from the forest is always more expensive. There are some advantages of producing them in farms. These organisms can fine-tune their diet. Quality coffee beans are searched for, washed and cleaned, and only those are fed to the civets. The feces produced by these creatures after eating this food will only contain fine coffee beans. All these are collected and dried. But when farming is done as a big business, civet nests are a bit more extensive. Unlike other nests, there are coffee plants inside this nest and setups for them to sleep and walk around. Because in such farms, civets are raised not only to produce coffee, also to breed and make babies. Therefore, it is very important to protect their health. Proper maintenance is also provided for any problem. These civet cannot live in places with a lot of noise. Therefore, isolated places close to the forest are the most suitable for growing them. The food they are fed is also very important. They eat clean drinking water, clean fruits, eggs and meat. The same food that they eat in the forest is prepared here. Not only meat and eggs but also good quality honey are served here. In the meantime, they also consume their favorite coffee beans. These civets also have the ability to smell good coffee grounds. Even in the cage, they have a royal life. With so many things to take care of, the cost of making a kilo of coffee beans from these is very high. especially the cost of food. It is also important to keep all cages extremely clean. This also contributes to the increase in the price of the kopi luwak coffee. Only 50 grams of coffee beans can be obtained from one civet timber in a day. After collecting it from all the nests, it is kept to dry thoroughly. Finely dried coffee beans are pounded and the outer husk is removed. Therefore, there is no need to doubt about their cleanliness. A 100 civet grown in this way will yield about 150 kilograms of coffee beans in a month. Because it is so difficult to produce, these coffee beans are produced in very small quantities. It will also cost more. The coffee pods made in this way are thoroughly roasted and ground into powder and stand as kopi luwak coffee. This is how the most expensive coffee powder is made. How was the making of coffee powder? Please comment your views below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.